Hey everyone, Patrick here. Let's make sure that we like, share, and follow this channel, and we can learn more about stuff like this. So today we're going to talk about one of my favorite "why didn't I do this sooner" moments, right? We're going to talk about OneNote and locking a section with a password. So if you keep meeting notes, HR info, student records, personal planning in OneNote, this is how you keep prying eyes out of it, right? Especially if you're on a shared or mobile device. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a password to a section, how to unlock it when you need it, and just a couple of smart, hey, keep your head up on this one, right? So when you're doing it, you're in the OneNote on the computer, right? The OneNote desktop 2016. You can't do it in the online version, so it's just in the desktop version. And what you do is you go over to the section that you want to make sure you password protect, and you right click on it. And you go down to password protect this section. When you click on that, you got a section that opens up where you can set your password. And then you type in what your password is. And confirm it. Now, heads up, it is case sensitive when you do it. And it gives you a big note here, right? That if you lose it, it can't be recovered. Microsoft doesn't see these. So, and that it is case sensitive. So I say, okay. And then it gives you their existing backup copies that will not be password protected. So I'm going to say, keep existing. All right. So all protected sections. You can unlock all sections now or lock them. Here you go. So I lock. Bam. So now this section's password protected. There we go. So when we get to something like this, we can click here and press enter and it'll unlock it, right? And then we enter the password that we set up and now it's back unlocked. So that's pretty much how you would lock and unlock. So the first time you go in, you set it, you create your password, you can change the password and remove it also. So if you're done with it being password protected or you luckily remembered your password, boom, I'm going to remove that password. But to remove it, you have to type in what the password was. And now it's removed. So now it's back to unprotected and we're at the set password phase. All right, so now just a couple of the things to watch out for while you're in here, right? We want to make sure that when I've got three things we need to make sure about, right? So we need to make sure that forgetting the password equals a permanent lockout, right? So let's make sure that we don't forget that password. Stored in a good safe spot, right? While it's password protected, search, indexing, and previews won't work. So it's got a form of data protection on it too. So it won't be able to be seen past that password. And just remember, it only protects sections, not pages, not entire notebooks, right? So you got to make sure you're using it the way you intend to use it. All right. So those are the elements of setting a password on a section of a OneNote. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, like, follow, share, get the word out. So we have people following this and learning maybe about our Olympus Academy too, where we have a lot of courses that help people understand about technology, including a OneNote class. So thank you.